Okay. So, oh yeah, let me go back to this one. Got all this stuff here. Oop. So until we get our Montessori materials, which that's been really annoying that is taking our print order so very long to come. But we at least have this, there's this very awesome website with all these different Montessori materials. So you can use, I forgot to show you guys this with your spelling lessons yesterday. So I'll send this email out. You have this website and you guys can use this for your spelling words. Okay. So let's say your spelling word, I know one of your spelling words, everybody's got different ones in this group, but it's cat. You got C-A-T, cat. Maybe it's Main, like Main Street. M, our A-I together make the long A sound, Main. Okay, just like we would with our movable alphabet in the classroom. And then you can click on that to restart it. If you want to look at cursive, ooh, there's the cursive font. Pretty neat. All right. And then if I want to go back home, I can do that. So we've been doing stuff with the golden beads. Yes? Composing numbers. I'm gonna put you guys down here. So typically in the classroom, we would like partner up and have dice and play this game. So it's kind of, I'm sorry, it's not as exciting here with us all on the computer. And I was trying to figure out with the last couple groups, I think it's really difficult. If you're on the Zoom, a lot of you guys are having a hard time figuring out how to like get on another website. So I'm sorry, just basically you're going to be watching me. Oh well. We'll make it work and we'll keep figuring it out as we go. And then once we get our Montessori materials, I think our lessons will look a little different. Then you guys can get into like breakout rooms and play more games with each other and stuff like that. But for now, we'll just make it work. And I'm sorry if it.
What website is it?
So it's called, and I'll send this out to your parents, and I'll put it also in the Seesaw in the Google Classroom. It's called virtualmontessorimiterials.com. So don't worry if you don't. So I promise I'll send it out this afternoon, and I will put it in our links in our Google Classroom. I'll put it right here where the links are. You know, I'll just do it right now. So that way, if mom wants to get on and it's going really slow. Never mind. It's freezing. I'll do it here in just a minute. I'm trying to do too much, but we'll just do this. No. Okay. So we've been practicing making numbers. Mrs. Combs showed you a lesson, a recorded lesson with composing numbers. And we're going to keep composing numbers to the hundreds and thousands. Okay. So we know that this is our unit, one little bead. We would see them in the classroom. These are our units or ones. They can be called either one. And then something magical happens when we count out. We get 1, You can count with me out loud if you like. Oh gosh, is this gonna be? This thing has been very glitchy today. I'm gonna stop sharing for a minute. I think everything is getting glitchy. Maybe this one will be better. Sorry, guys. Okay. No. All right. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm going to be able to show it on this because this is so. Let me get set up down here because the computer is not working. It's being too glitchy. I'm not doing that. It's doing it on its own where it's doing that crazy moving back and forth. That's why we always have backup. Oh, crap. Sorry, guys. I'll be right there. Okay.
I'm not.
Okay. Besides, I couldn't use 3 tomorrow.
Right.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
All right. Sorry, guys. Thank you.
I know.
Okay. You guys ready? Eyes on me. Here we go. We're going to do it with the live stuff. So count with me. We are counting our units. This is 1 unit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we can only have 0 through 9 in each place because once we get to 10, what happens? It becomes a 10, right? So now let's count by tens. And if you want to unmute yourself and count with me, so that way I know you're counting with me, you can do that. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. What comes next?
100.
100. Ta-da! So now we're ready to count by 100s. Here we go. 100,
200,
300,
400, 500,
500,
600, 700,
800,
800, 900, 1,000.
1,000, or 1,000.
1,000.
And can we see that? How 10 tens is the same as that. But I'm going to take one of these because we have 900 here, and now we have 1,000. Oh, and I forgot my thousands. I have so many. All right, hold on.
Thousands.
We don't find thousands. We're going to make a stack of them.
Miss Brenda has a dog.
I do have a.
I saw a dog.
All right, here we go, guys.
That looks like a fluffy dog.
He is fluffy. All right, ready? I don't know if I'll try my best to make it so you guys can see it. So we have 1,000,
2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000,
5,000.
6,000,
Hold on.
7,000,
So there's 5,000. Sorry, 6,000.
7,000, 7,000, 8,000,
8,000.
9,000.
9,000.
So what's happening? 9,000.
All right. Can we see here? So we have 9,000.
You did that, kid.
We've got 900. 99.
99.
I'm going to make that number here. We've got
1,999.
9,000.
Stop, kid.
900.
You stupid kid.
No, I'm muting.
90.
You mean it.
9. Can we see that? 9,999. And then there's something really cool I can do if I stack them. And then I can, it's hard to do it with one hand. Here, let me. Problem solving how I would present this in the classroom with doing this virtually is, so the magic trick, we would go carefully, and here's our number. 9,999, ta-da! All right, so now I'm gonna take these down so they don't go crashing down. Part of that is so we can see. So there are 1,000 of these little beads in one of these, right? Pretty amazing. Okay. All right. So I'm going to make a number, I think. So we'll do that. Here's my number. Thomas, how many units do I have? Can you see it? How many units do I have?
You have
1, 2,
4.
4. Good. I know it's probably kind of hard to see some of these. So I've got 4 units. Solomon, how many 10s do I have?
11. 20.
We got right. So 2 10s is 20. Very nice, Solomon. If you guys see, my numbers are kind of mixed up, so I'm going over here and I'm finding 20. Okay. Anna, how many hundreds do I have? I'll count them with you, so, because I know it's kind of probably hard to see, so let's count them. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. I'm going to go over here to my hundreds. Hopefully it seems like these are in order. And here we go. We got 500. And Coco, how many thousands do I have?
1,000.
1,000. So 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 4 will give me our number. So we can, I have to put the computer down to do the trick. Anybody like to read this number? We have 1,524. Everybody say it with me. 1,524. Anybody want to say it on their own? You can unmute yourself. 1,524. Nobody? Nobody wants to try to say it? All right. 1,524, there it is. Okay. Let's do one more of those. How do we feel about making numbers? Composing numbers with the golden beads? Show me with your, like, yeah, I got it. I'm ready to go, Miss Brenda, or I feel okay about it, or I don't feel good about it at all. Claire's good, Thomas is good, Solomon's good, Coco's good. I can't see Anna. No, not so much Coco. We'll do another one. How do you feel about composing numbers with the golden beads, Anna? Yeah, feel really good. I feel okay. Not so good? Okay. All right. Anna, give me, how many units should I take out?
10.
10 units?
Yeah.
What happens if we take out 10 units?
Makes a 10 bar.
It makes a 10 bar, right? So really, if I take out 10 units, I would just need to take out 1 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Oh, I think that's right.
Yeah. So we can only have one number in each place. You bring up a really good point. So I can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, go ahead. 9. But as soon as we get 10, see how there's only one number in this place?
Uh-huh.
We can only have one number in the place. When we get 10, we have 2 places now, and there's still only one number in that place. We can have 0 there. We can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But now we have 110.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you want me to get out 10 units, I'm actually getting out 110 and 0 units.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. So we'll do that. So Anna says to get out 110. What else should I get out?
1 unit.
1 unit. All righty. What else?
100.
100. Okie doke. 100.
And 1,000.
And 1,000. There we go. 1,111.
Yeah.
And it looks like that. 1,111.
It's all ones.
That's all ones. Pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Coco. Tell me what I should get out. I'm gonna put Anna's number away. How many units? My units always go on the right side. This place right here. How many units should I get out, Coco? I can't see you. Are you there? Oh, we can't hear you.
10 units.
10 units. So we just talked about 10 units is actually what? It's 110.
I said 8.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 8 units. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
And
8. Okay.
9, 10.
9 tens. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
700.
Okay. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500,
And 6.
600, and 6,000. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Coco wants me to stack it. All right. I'm going to put you guys down over here so we can watch it. You said 6? So
Yeah.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. There's what it looks like.
That's tall.
Yep. Oh gosh, I can't believe I did that. So here we go. We got 6,798 when we put it all together. 6,798. Ta-da! So on your on that virtual Montessori site, and yours shouldn't glitch like mine, I think, 'cause
Can I take a break?
we're almost done. All right, almost done. Do we want to do a little dance together? Get up and move. You want to do a go noodle? Should we do that?
Uh-huh.
Claire's like, no. Claire and Anna say no. Thomas, no. Solomon's like, well, I think if we're voting, Solomon and Coco, you're outnumbered. Okay, dance like you got ants in your pants. Dance like you got ants in your pants. Now stop. All right. Here, we're almost done. Let me just show you this one part. I'm hoping it's had a moment to chill out. Go back. Okay. So let's say I give you a number like 3,471. You're going to use your golden beads to make them. Okay? So we have 1 unit. 1 unit. We have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, which is 70. We have 4 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. And 3 thousands. So there's 3,471. And then you can write it on your paper. So when we have 3,000 plus 400 plus, so in order to do this on your paper, plus 70 plus 1, you can draw your golden beads like this. You can draw your ones like a dot. You can draw your tens like a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can draw your hundreds with a square, because that's what they are. They're squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And your thousands, those are fun to draw. Those are a cube.
My lunch is being made, so can I go see?
What's up, Coco?
Please, my lunch is made.
Your lunch is made? Okay. All right. Well, I'll put this up on the classroom so you can watch the end of it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good lunch, Coco. And 3,000. So altogether, that equals 3,471. Solomon, you're shaking your head. Nah, is this too much? Did I draw too much on my paper? Is it the step of drawing it? Yeah. Okay, well, how about you don't have to do that. All right, I'm just showing you if you wanted to do it on paper, this is how what it would look like. I think what I'll do is I'll give you a sheet with numbers built, and then you can practice writing the number for me for follow-up work, okay? Does that work? Because it does, it does take a long time to draw this, so I won't make you do that. How's that sound, Solomon? Sweet. All right. So your follow-up work, you'll see a number like your base 10s blocks built out, and then you're just going to count them and put the number there. So if you have 3,000s, that would be 3,471. And when you put all those numbers together, that's why you can use this on your, use this website. I'll put your follow-up work and you can go to it. So when you put these numbers together, you can see it, that it makes 3,471 just like that. Okay? Cool beans. So we're gonna still make composing numbers and then writing the full number out like that, 3,471, whatever that number is. All right? Let me know if you have questions. It's okay. Claire says she's good. Cool. Okay. So that's your lesson. More practice with composing numbers, golden beads on the website. And you guys have a great afternoon. Enjoy your lunch. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Miss Brenda.
Bye,
Leave.
Solomon.